Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to make winter effect on Lightroom. So let's get started. For today's tutorial, I have taken this photo. Now think a while. Which color comes to your mind when you think about winter? It's definitely blue color. So I am going to use a deep blue tone on this image so that it will create a winter effect. Firstly, on the basic part, we can decrease the temperature a bit. Around -18. We can also decrease the tint a bit. And here I am decreasing the exposure and increasing the contrast and decreasing the highlights and increasing the whites. Now we can give a shadow here and we can also increase the blacks. Now from texture part, we can decrease the texture a bit and we can increase the clarity, and we can dehaze the image around +12. And here we can also increase the vibrance. And from the curve part, we can go to the blue channel and we can increase the blue. We can increase the blue a bit, and we can also increase the blue shadow here. Now I'm jumping to the hue, saturation and luminance part. So from saturation part, we can increase the red and we can decrease the orange a bit, and we can also decrease the yellow, and we can increase the green, aquas and blues also. Now from luminance part, we can increase the orange a bit, and we can increase the reds, and green will be decreased, and aquas will be decreased, and blues will be increased. Now from hue part, we can decrease the blues a bit. We can also decrease the aquas, and we can increase the greens, yellows and orange also. Now from color grading, we can give a teal type tone on mid-tone. Like this, and we can give a bluish type shadow here. And we can give a yellowish type highlights. Now from sharpening, we can sharpen the image a bit around +5, and we can increase the noise reduction around +8. And from the effects part, we can give a bit of vignetting effect here. Not much, it will be around -9, and we can increase the gains a bit around +3. Now from color calibration, we can increase the green primary saturation, and we can decrease the saturation of blue primary, and we can also decrease the saturation of red primary. Now you can see that the blue is very harsh here, therefore I am going to reduce the blues a bit. Now going to the color mixture of HSL, which is hue, saturation and luminance. So come to saturation, and decrease the blues a bit. Now we need to add a warm tone on the skin. Therefore, I am going to take the graduated filter. I think the radial filter will work better here, so that I am taking the radial filter and take a radial on the face of the subject like this. And here all the values will be 0. Now here we can increase the saturation a bit. The saturation is increasing on the outside of this radial, so that we need to make it invert. And let's again increase the saturation, and we can take a warm color hue here. And here we can increase the temperature around +18, and we can also increase the tint. So this skin tone is better than before. Now make the radial like this. And here we are done. Now check the before and after here. So this was the before image and this is the after image. And this is all about how to make winter effect on Lightroom. So if you like this tutorial, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting. Thank you very much.